Hi, this is Deborah R. Richardson of Deborah R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this vendor master file tip of the week is the IRS IRS system. When can you process tax year 2025? When will IRS be ready? Well, first of all, if you try to sign on to the IRIS portal today, you will get that the system is not operational. That is because it went down on December 3rd, 2025, to get ready for the new production season or the new production system that will be back up on Tuesday, January 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, that's as of now what the IRS is saying. And so, this, by the way, was a quick alert because I am signed up for IRS's e-news subscriptions, quick alerts. And so this came to me via email. I think it was Friday, December 5th. And so if you also would like to have these alerts coming to your email, then you can watch the other vendor master file tip of the week that I have where I demoed how you can sign up for the IRS e-news subscription. So that's coming up next. Now, talking about Iris, if you're looking for Iris training from an accounts payable vendor setup and maintenance or vendor team perspective, I am having a training on Wednesday, January 14th, 2026. And so you can follow the link. I'll put the link in the description as well, or you can scan the QR code with your phone and go right over to that training session and learn more about what is included and then sign up if you're interested. All right, so that is it for today. If you like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, compliance fines, and bad vendor data. Now, if you would like over 179, maybe it's 180 hours now of vendor process training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. And I always forget the number of hours because I'm always adding. And the 2026 training schedule is available now too. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.